Hello and welcome back. I'm Joseph Hoffman. Today, I have a tricky challenge for you, and that is figuring out how to play Lady Lady hands together. Let's come to the piano to get started. Okay, let's put both hands in the E-flat major pentascale to try this. When I learn a song hands together, I like to very briefly review the hands separately once. So let's play just the right hand alone once for the first 4 measures. We're going to start with finger 5 and let's count the beat together. Just right hand, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. Now let's try the left hand all by itself. But keep your right hand in position because we're going to be adding it in just a second. Just left hand, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and stop there. Good. Now, so we kind of get used to how it sounds. Let's try this. I'd like you to play the left hand while I play the right hand. And we'll both count the beat out loud. So your job is left hand, my job is right hand. Let's see what it's going to sound like together. Count the beat with me. I'll count 1, 2, 3, and then we'll both start. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Great. Now let's try changing jobs. Now I'd like you to play the right hand while I play the left hand. Can you count the beat with me? Remember, the left hand is going 1, 2, 3 and playing a note on every beat, but the right hand is holding 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So don't go the same tempo or rhythm as me. You're the right hand, I'm the left hand. Count the beat. Ready? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Stop. Good. Now, let's take a look at how these two hands fit together. If you look carefully at the music, you'll see on beat 1, they play together. Then on beats 2 and 3, the left hand continues to play while the right hand holds. Together it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3. Now press pause and try those 4 measures 5 times by yourself. Once you've mastered it, press play to go on. All right, now let's take a look at measures 5 and 6. Once again, let's first review the hands alone. The left hand here moves to the 5-7 chord. So let's shift your finger 5 down to D and play the 5-7 chord twice. Go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, stop. Good, and the right hand does 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Can you try that by yourself? Go. And the words there are, buy a broom for my... Good. Now let's look very closely at the music. On the word buy, it's a half note in the right hand, while the left hand plays 2 quarter notes. So buy, the left hand plays 2 notes, and then they both play together. Now, if you put all that together, it sounds like this. I'd like you to press pause and just practice that 1 measure. Remember, you're going to play together, left, together. Press pause to play that 5 times, then press play to go on. Good. Now the next measure is broom for my. Now the right hand plays 3 B flats in a row, while the left hand plays T, Fa, So. Together it sounds like this. Now press pause and practice just that measure. Play it 5 times and then press play to go on. Now, let's listen to what that would sound like together. If we put measures 5 and 6 together, we get buy a broom for my. Now, one more time, press pause and try putting those two measures together 5 times, and then press play to go on. Good. Now, we're finally to the last 2 measures of the A section. The left hand is back to a do, mi, so, 1 chord. So let's play that 2 times. Try it with me. Ready, go. And the right hand is doing mi, do. Can you try that with me and count the beat? Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Good. And together it will sound like this. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Now, press pause and try that a couple times by yourself. If you're wondering why I'm having you pause so much, this is pretty tricky, and I want to make sure you're having enough practice to really master it. Press play when you're ready to put the entire A section together. So here's what it will sound like to put the whole A section hands together. And then it repeats. For most students, the hardest part to get hands together by far is measures 5 and 6. Buy a broom for my. So here's a little practice secret that all great pianists use. Don't waste your time practicing the easy parts. Skip straight to the hard part and practice it over and over and over until it becomes the easy part. You can transform something hard into something easy simply by doing it enough times correctly. So, my recommendation is to start off your practice playing only measures 5 and 6 10 times, hands together, slowly and carefully, with no missed notes. Do that every day, playing it 10 times, and as you get better and better at it, you'll be able to gradually speed it up. And in a few days, it will actually start to feel easy. Once you feel confident with the hard part, try playing the entire line hands together. If you're getting stuck, go back to right and left hand alone a couple of times. Then just keep trying. It might also help to watch this lesson again. Don't give up and just try again and again every day until you get it. Once you have line 1 feeling confident, you'll be ready for line 2 in our next lesson. Happy practicing and can't wait to see you next time. Hey, let's think of our own lyrics for Lady Lady. Okay, how about Froggy, Froggy, sat all day on a loggy. Nice! I've got one for you. Scuba, scuba, loves to play on the tuba. That's crazy. I actually do love to play on the tuba. Really? You never mentioned. Yeah, high school marching band. Listen to this. Wait, hold on. Maybe I should have sung scuba, scuba, time to practice your tuba. Yeah, just give me a minute to practice and I'll get it. Wow, he's really taking this seriously. Okay, just call me when you're ready to play for me. Got it.